I would like to have you role playing. On how? You have an idea? You're going to have a role playing of how this Filipino society, Asian Filipino society, live in harmony with each other. So, in order for you guys to have, in order for me to grade you, I have here a rubrics. You're going to perform. You will be graded based on your performance by these criteria. First, the first criteria here is participation and presentations. The highest score will be 4. If you will present your drama or your scene of how the Philippine society exists, you did it in a willing and focus, particularly in cooperation, it would be a good thing, guys. Second criteria is that the presentation of the characters. So if your characters do as what the TV show or the actresses, professional actress does, I will probably give you the high score is 4. The lowest is 1. Okay, achievement of the purpose. Purpose is clearly established effectively and sustained. So, this cash tape isn't working. Last. Okay, use of nonverbal cues, voices, and gestures. What would I like you to develop here is your sense of cooperation in terms of preparing or conducting an activity, particularly role playing. It's not all about here. Also to develop your personality of or your skills in acting. Last here is imagination and creativity. Okay, I would like that you have your scene I would like to see it in a very good manner or just like they say, realistic. Okay, guys. Go. Okay, you have a good performance here. So, since you already know the hierarchy of the Filipinos during Asian period, what I want you to have here is the comparison. Okay. Here guys, I would like to ask you something. Do you have any idea how the women perform in society during Asian period in the Philippines? Do you think they are important? Yes. Okay. Here, as you can see in this picture,
ito naman parang tanga.
that women, Filipino women during Asian period, had the equal rights together with men. They live in an equal society. Even though they are women, unlike in another civilization, they had a good sense of respect given by men. So, next, it's here. In my picture, you can see the thing or how do men are equal to women in Asian culture. They're equal. Even in the eyes of the law, they're equal. As long as they can prove themselves innocent. Okay. So, you already know how the men or how the woman places itself in the society, right? So, I would like you to have an activity again. Is it okay for you guys? Yes. This time, I would like you to write a poem. So, what was the topic of
Tsaka yung word na guys, should be class
women?
10.
How should women be treated? Is it, as you can see guys today, is it still the same how men treated women? Present situation. Are they treated better than equals? Okay. For more enhancement for you guys to know that, I would like to have it. Here again, I would like to have a rubrics. So, okay. Here. You're going to read a book about the women's position in society. Again, I have again a here, How do I grade your work? The first criteria there is form. Is it your poem as rhyming or creative uses an appropriate poetic form? Second criteria here is word usage. Usage. Student, you should use vocabulary, the vocabulary is precise, and the create, and it creates a clear picture of reader's mind. So, my activity is not only about it's not only about me, it's all about how you proceed on human. Okay, guys.
Tira mo na ng ibang tape, Ben.
Okay.
Yung white ni Ann.
Perform your task well.
Dagdagan mo.
A good form. I think you are picking up improving. Second. Okay, guys. My next. Here. I have a question for you guys. Is Philippine society still the same as of today? No. Simply because as time goes by, many different colonializers arrive. It already presents or changes of how the Philippine society do or function. Yes. Okay. Are you in your group, right? I would like you to have again another activity. Since you already know how to do this society has, or do you know you have now an idea of how society is, I would like you to have again your group perform another activity. This activity is all about traditional dancing. You will again have again I have your rubrics. I would like to draw or sketch how the Philippine society is. Okay. Here's my criteria, creativity, emphasis on team, willingness, and punctuality and submission. Okay. Alora, are you finished, guys? Okay, good. So, since you already know all of it, or how the Philippine society function during or before the Spanish time arrived, I would like to have one last activity to enhance all your skills, all your talents. I would like to showcase all your talents, not only in my topic that I will be discussing, but also about yourself. I would like you again, since you're in your group, I would like you to perform a traditional dance. So, maybe you're asking what traditional dance is that I'm referring to. It's about the traditional dance of the Filipino. Yes, a cultural dance in the Filipino ancient theory. Okay. Again, I have a radius here or a rubrics to grade you or to have an idea on how should I grade your performance. Here, in my last. The rubrics for traditional dance. So, since you're okay with that, main criteria here is the presentation of each group. If you're ready, you're going to function. You cooperate as one. Presentation of the traditional dance. The last, use of non-verbal cues. Particular, your movement. Is it your dance really quite good? Is it you're performing in good order? Show you're operating as one. Okay. Okay, good guys. You can now return to your seats, your original seats.
Kanina ka pangiti ng ngiti, susuntokin kita.
Okay. Since you already know how Philippine society is, for my last activity, since again, I know you're tired doing so many activities in my class, I would like to you to write an essay on how you see society now as it before. So, okay, you cannot begin. I would like to like 5 sentences of how our society functions compared to our previous society. Okay, their comparison, their advantages and disadvantages. Okay, begin. Okay, I think you're on past the paper. Okay class. For your assignment, I would like you to have a Venn diagram. A Venn diagram. Just select one particular society in 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 Asia, where you can compare their society to our society before. That's for your assignment. I would just like, then I would like to have you a 5 sentences explanation on how your Venn diagram is rated. Okay. Bye, guys.